Hey guys, ECRG here. Do you ever get nervous? When you're doing something new in clinical research or in your jobs in general, are you nervous? If so, it's crazy how fast you become accustomed to what you're doing. I remember when I was first starting my monitoring calls as an in-house CRA, I used to get nervous before them, even though that the other person on the line was someone who was probably around my same experience level, the study coordinator or someone like that. I would still get nervous. And, even though I had a script of the things that we're going to talk about, I prepared beforehand, at least a day or a few hours beforehand. I've gone through, the TMF. I've gone through ALMEC, IXRS, IVRS. I've gone through their trainings. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm going to ask them about, queries, data entry, etc. But it's crazy how nervous I would get before those calls until all of a sudden I just literally wasn't nervous. So it took me about 3 calls before I wasn't nervous anymore. I'm curious how long it took you before you weren't nervous anymore as well. And the monitoring calls typically aren't in front of a whole bunch of people, or they're calls. So you call somebody, or they're going to be through some kind of WebEx or Skype service like that you call into, and there may be a couple people on the line. But it's crazy how quickly you become comfortable with what you're going to be asking, what the type of questions are that you're going to be asking, what the common answers are to those questions. It happens really fast, especially when you're doing something every single day for 8 hours a day. It's crazy how fast things change. So I was just very surprised that I was nervous before the first 2, then all of a sudden literally not nervous for the 3rd one. So it's just important to keep at it, to keep going, keep doing what you're doing, because sooner or later you're going to become pretty comfortable with what you're doing. You're going to become a pro at what you're doing, and just day in and day out, you keep practicing, you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to become a lot better. So just want to talk about that. This is more of a document video, just documenting my journey in clinical research throughout. So just wanted to talk about that a little bit. And if you guys need any help with your monitoring calls or have any other questions about monitoring in general, drop them down below. I'll see if I can answer them. Or you can email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. As always, so comment down below if you guys ever get nervous before doing something. Just pop it down below. All right, guys, take care.